I'm very excited about this one because I'm going to show you how localization teams are going to interact with translation systems very soon. So we still spend a lot of time on manual tasks in these systems, but I'm going to show you what if we could automate all of those. And this is where Crowdin Copilot comes in. So this is Crowdin Copilot. As you can see, very simple chat inside Crowdin. It has two different modes, ask and task. So basically you can ask a question or you can ask AI to execute different actions inside Crowdin. It has an option to choose a model and also it has a history. Also, you can run it on the root level or inside any project. So today I'm going to show you how you can automate different tasks inside Crowdin using Copilot. Okay, so as you can see, we have a very simple project and I'm going to ask AI to first pre-translate this whole project because as you can see, we don't have any translations. So Copilot finished pre-translating. As you can see, all of that is translated. So now we want to task AI to identify any glossary gaps. So as you can see, this is ready, right? First we asked AI to pre-translate the file, and then we asked AI to identify 5 different terms that are missing in our glossary. And it did that. It provided some recommendations and some explanation why those should be added. And obviously now we can send this to a linguist, or we can ask a linguist to work with Copilot inside Crowdin, right, to basically fix all of those issues for us. So we just did this inside a project, but we could do this across multiple projects at the same time, right, to identify inconsistencies and any gaps in terminology. But actually what I want to do, right, so I could do basically the same across all of these projects, but actually what I want to do is to check inconsistencies inside a few different TMs. As you probably know, it's not easy to keep all your TMs clean and consistent, but Crowdin Copilot now can help us with that too. Okay, so I copy and pasted simple prompt where I'm basically asking AI to basically check inconsistencies inside a few different TMs, and let's see what's going to happen. So as you can see, I made a mistake and I asked AI to check empty TMs, but it found different TMs that potentially could be, checked instead. So now what we can do, we can pick one of those TMs or we can say check all of them. So AI finished the task, right? It identified a couple of different issues, and as you can see, we can actually copy this into a CSV markdown, or we can export this also. So the first use case was to use AI inside editor to pre-translate the file, but also identify some gaps. Here we identified some issues between a few different TMs. And for the third one, I would like AI to analyze what we have and create a simple style guide for Polish translator. So AI finished working on our style guide. As you can see, it created simple draft for us. So let's assume I am a Polish lead linguist, right? And I do like it. I reviewed all of that and it looks good, but I would like to change formality from informal to formal. And then we can approve it and create it. So I'm going to tell AI to basically do that, change only that part, and then we are going to approve it and ask AI to create it for us. Okay, so AI changed the formality for us, right, to formal. So now we do like it, we approve it, and we are asking AI to create it for us and add it to all projects. Okay, it seems like it should be there, so let's double check. Let's go to style guides. Yeah, it looks like it's ready. Let's edit it. Yeah, and it's there, right? We can do this. We can do a preview. And we can preview the full style guide without any issues. Obviously, if we want to, we can still add more information, but we don't want to do that. And as you can see, it added it to my Copilot group the way I wanted it to do, right? And now every project will have it by default. So what you just saw isn't just a faster way of answering a few different questions, it's a totally different way of running localization. Now you don't have to rely on engineers to create day-to-day automation, you can do it yourself and populate all your changes across all your TMs, projects and glossaries.